Cool. So we are now looking at G, which is about a physical stock count. It's okay, so when we have a physical stock count, we will either have a trading stock surplus or a trading stock deficit. A surplus means we have extra trading stock. A deficit means we underprovided. So we have less than what we thought. So it tells us here that we have the value of 490,000 Rand. That's the physical stock count. So we actually counted each item, and this is the amount we had. But in our trial balance, we have an amount of 479,000. So let's calculate this. So trading stock, and for now, we don't know if it's going to be a deficit or a surplus. All we know is that, hey, our physical stock count was 490,000 Rand. But our trial balance had 479,000. And now this is very, very important. Don't forget to look at all your adjustments that we have already done. So A through F that we already did, and see if any of them affect trading stock, because we have to incorporate it into this calculation. And the only adjustment we had that did affect trading stock was this one, because the uniforms were returned right here. The uniforms were returned. So here is additional trading stock. Additional trading stock. How do I give up? But additional trading stock. So we know that this is the sales amount. We spoke about this in the video about F. But we're talking about our stock. And so we need to use the cost of sales amount, which is 6,400 Rand. And we have to add it to this. And here we are subtracting that. Okay, so this is what our physical count amount was. This is what the trial balance said. But remember, we adjusted the trial balance with an additional 6,400 Rand. Altogether, you should get an amount of 4,600. Whoop. 4,600 Rand. And that amount reflects a surplus. So a surplus will go under other operating income, trading stock, surplus, and you can actually, not actually, you should include this calculation right here. So copy and paste that. So 4,600 Rand. Boom, so that's a surplus. If we had had a deficit, then that would have been under operating expenses. But for now, it is a surplus. We have more trading stock than we thought we did. So we have extra. Okay, and that's really all there is for G, I think. So that's pretty easy.